Good morning once again. Welcome again in the maths class of square and square roots. Now children, what is the meaning of square root? Square root, the number which is multiplied by itself to give a square number is known as the square root of the number. If a square is the square of a, then a is called the square root of a square. The square root of number is denoted by symbol under root. Okay children, square root of a square under root a square is equal to a. ठीक है, 4 into 4 that is 16. Therefore 4 is the square root of 16. If 16 is the prime factorization of 16 is 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 equal to 4. The square root of 16 is 4. Similarly, that is 36. The square root of 36. Prime factorization of 36. 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 1 ja, 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is prime factorization 2 into 3. That is 6. It is a prime factorization of 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Children, now I will consider under root 64. First, I will solve prime factorization. 64, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Pair of 64. Pair of 60 prime factorization of 64, that is 2 into 2 into that. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So square root of under root 64 is equal to 8. Now I will consider some squares and square roots. Square root 1 square equal to 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 2 square equal to 4. Under root 4 is 2. 3 square is 9. Under root 9 is 3. And 4 square equal to 16. Under root 16 is equal to 4. 5 square is 25. Under root 25 is 5. 6 square is 36. Under root 36 is equal to 6. Same process here. 11 square is 121. 121 under root 121 is equal to 11. 12 square is equal to 144. So under root 144 is equal to 12, etc. We know that finding square root of perfect square by prime factorization method. The steps to find the square root of a given number by prime factorization method are as follows. Number 1, find the prime factorization of the given number. Second point, make pairs of identical prime factors. Third point, take one factor from each pair and find the product. The product so obtained is square root of the given number. Find the square root of 100. Prime factorization of 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Children, here 100, 2 5 is 10, 2 25 is 5 5 is 25. Prime factorization of 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Prime factorization of 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, and square root of 100 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 2, 5 into 5, that is 5, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Same process of 625. Next example, 625. Prime factorization of 625, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25. Prime factorization of 5 into 5, that is 5, 5 into 5 is, that is 5, 5. The total number of square root of 625 is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. The square root of 625 is equal to 25. Same process of 1296. 1296, factor of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Making pairs of identical prime factor, we get prime factorization of 1296, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 3 into 3, 3 into 3. That is 2 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 2. 3 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 3. That is, on doing multiply of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. Same process, find the square root of 576. By the help of prime factorization, we find this number. Making pairs of identical prime factors is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Therefore, 2, 2, 2, 3. On doing these number is equal to 24. Okay, children? Same process are here. Okay, good day.